Good night. My name is Nicole Rubio. I will present my tourist site. The Eiffel Tower is taller than the Stadium of Liberty because the Eiffel Tower is the 1055 tall and the stadium for 46 meters tall. The Stadium of Liberty is less pleasant to claim. A visitor match like the 354 seat to the gate to Stadium of the Liberty, and the Eiffel Tower does have elevators. I like the Stadium of Liberty the match, sign the crown that represents the seven oceans of the seven continental. Uh, you should visit the in summer. In summer, the tower is 18 centimeter. In winter due to the thermal expansion of the metal. Thank you very much, teacher and guys.